Let's take a look at your problems from your assignment from MT6LT1. On the first question, it says, on question 3, it says a theater floor plan is shown in the figure. The upper 5 sides are part of a regular dodecagon. That's the key. So we know these angles come from a dodecagon. So we know the measure of each angle of a regular polygon follows the formula 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. And in this case, n is 12. So we take 180 times 12 minus 2, and we're going to divide by 12. So it's 180 times 10 divided by 12, which is 1800 divided by 12, which is, what is that, 150? Let me double check with the calculator. So we take 1800 divided by 12. Yes, each angle is 150 degrees. So we have this 150 degree angle in here 4 times. Now, let's look at our polygon. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a heptagon. So to find the total number of degrees in a heptagon, we're going to take 180 times n minus 2, but this time n is 7. So it's 180 times 7 minus 2, which is 180 times 5, which is, what's that, 900? So you get 900 degrees. Now we can use that fact to add up all our angles. Notice 2 of our angles are 90 degrees. So I'm going to say 2 times 90 . 4 of our angles are 150 degrees. And we have the measure of angle 1. We know that's total is going to be 900 degrees. So 2 times 90 is 180. 4 times 15 is 60, so that's 600. Plus the measure of angle 1 equals 900 degrees. Well, 180 plus 600, that would be 780 degrees. Well, what do you have to add to 780 to get 900? Well, the measure of angle 1 is going to be 120 degrees. And that's how we approach that problem. Now, on the next problem, we're going to look at part D. We know the measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees. We know the measure of angle 5 is 60 degrees. We know the measure of angle 3 is 162 degrees. And we know the measure of angle 4 is 132 degrees. Well, we have a pentagon here, don't we? So we're going to say the total number of degrees in the pentagon is going to be 180 times n minus 2, but it's 5. So 180 times 5, or times 5 minus 2, that's 180 times 3. Well, 180 times 3 is 540, I'm pretty sure. So we have 540 degrees total. So now we're going to add them up. We're going to say the measure of angle 1 plus 90 plus 162 plus 132 plus 60 equals 540. Well, let's add up our angles. So we're going to say 90 plus 60 plus 162 plus 132, Well, that gives us 444 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 plus 444, well, that's going to be 540. Well, let's subtract 444 from both sides. And we get the measure of angle 1 equals 96 degrees. And there's your answer.